You are now watching My Clean Space, so let's get right into the video. Okay, in today's video, we will be detailing the refrigerator. It's the beginning of the year and it's the perfect time to do so. So right now, I am just setting some warm to hot dish water with some regular dish soap, just so I can take each part of the refrigerator out, soak it, and clean it down really good. That is one of the first things I do before I begin detailing the refrigerator. Okay, because it's the holidays, I have family in town, so you will see a mattress off to the side, and I have my hair wrapped up because I'll be getting it done soon, so excuse the appearance in today's video. So now I am just taking things out of the refrigerator, the condiments, the sodas, the water, emptying everything out so I can get ready to clean it and wipe it down really good. This is a very important step. You will not see me detail the freezer, unfortunately. I'm going to do that another day. Plus, as you can see, we didn't have much in the refrigerator or the freezer to start with. So today, I'm really going to only focus on this side of the refrigerator. So in this next step, I will be rinsing out the trays that held all the, ketchup, mayo, mustard. Those trays can get very sticky. Opening them, using them, spilling things. So it's very important that you rinse those out with water and soap, scrub all that buildup and scum that may have splashed in the trays, over time. Okay, so here I'm getting down on my hands and knees to get way down there in the back and the bottom of the refrigerator. We have things that spill and splash back there. It was pretty sticky. I know I tried to get you guys as close as I could, but what I did was just wipe, and scrub until I got it as clean as I could do at the moment. Again, I'm just going through the refrigerator, wiping, cleaning, drying everything off at this time to get it prepared to put food back inside. So now I'm putting away the big clear trays that go at the bottom of the refrigerator that holds the fruits and vegetables, and then I like to line it with paper towel to keep it dry, to get rid of any moisture, to help keep the fruits and the vegetables a little bit longer. And then I'm just putting away all the food that originally came out of the refrigerator, but I don't know if you can tell, but back here on the table I have a whole thing of groceries back there that I also have to put away, but I'm just going to put this away first. The next thing I like to do is just wipe down all the jars and the cans, because again, they get sticky. So just take a towel, a towel, clean towel, and wipe them down. And then I put all of the glass jars and containers at the bottom because I just feel like it's further to drop if they were to slip out of your hand and make a mess. And then I'm taking things like the mayo, the ketchup, the ranch, and make sure there's no buildup gunk, you know, there, because that's nasty. You don't want that in your food. And then this mustard, it has some buildup, so just take some water, rinse it out, and it's good. So in a little bowl, I like to keep leftover like ketchup packets from different restaurants and whatnot. And then right now I just wanted to detail it, take stuff out that we hadn't used, and then go ahead and finish putting everything away. Okay, so this is it. Everything is back in the refrigerator. It's clean. It's sanitized. I'm just showing you the different layers inside the refrigerator, and in a minute I'll show you with all the groceries put away and how I layer my refrigerator. Alright, on the top shelf, I like to keep sodas, juice, and milk. Then the next one, all the water bottles. And then the next one, usually like meats and cheese. And then the next one. So on this side, I thought I was going to finish. But on this side, we have the eggs. Any like medicine I put in the second row. Then mayo, mustard, then dressings. And then again, all the glass jars are at the bottom. Okay, and then my fruit and vegetable tray are at the bottom. And then you'll see I'm going to open up my fruit tray where I have all these fruits that I got from Albertsons. They had the buy one get one, and then I went to Smith's for 2 for $5. So that's where I keep all the fruits, and then the one below that I keep the vegetables. And this is it. This is my refrigerator all cleaned out. I love the fruit. I really want to zoom, and I think it looks really pretty in the refrigerator. And then I also keep the I put those limes in there. I know those aren't vegetables, but I put those in there with the potatoes, sweet potatoes, onions, garlic, all that good stuff down there. And I have some ground turkey in the refrigerator because I cooked some spaghetti that night. That's why it was sitting right there. But usually this is my leftover section. That's why there's a Sprite right there. Any leftovers go there, and if they can't fit, they go in the trash. Eggs, cheese, some lettuce. Very simple. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.